we're moving different today. So get comfortable, settle in. There comes a point in this journey where the noise, it gets louder. You can't even hear yourself think. You realize you can't even hear your own voice because social media and the world seems to be yelling at you loudly. And as content creators, we don't need more advice. We actually need more silence and more action. We need room to create, room to breathe, room to be ourselves, our creative beings. We need room to remember who we are in a room of people trying to find themselves. At the same time, protecting our authenticity, protecting our voice, protecting our peace, and protecting our own power. And part of that protecting is protecting your own energy. Because the time that we spend is valuable, whether it's creating long videos or if we're showing up on short form platforms. We need to be able to protect our time, because the time that we spend cutting up clips from all of the content that I make and rewriting all the captions and trying to force that perfect moment, that's the time that I could be spending becoming the best version of me. I like to do things a little smarter, a little wiser, and I use Nexus clips to help me do it. Whenever I sit down and make my videos, I use Nexus clips to repurpose everything because it's all about efficiency. So I'm not wasting my time. This software, it finds the best emotional moments or curious-based moments, and it repurposes my content and gives me a virality score. It adds captions and frames. It puts my face where it needs to be and not all over the place in a video. And the funny part about all of this software tool, a lot of the big content creators, they use software just like this. The question I have for you is, why aren't you using it? You want to try it out? I'm going to leave you a discount link down in the description. You didn't even start because of them, whoever them is. Somewhere you lose yourself and you're not even creating from your own heart anymore. You start creating from unseen pressure to perform. If you like me, you started because there was something yearning, something deeper, something pulling at you. And the thing that was pulling at you was purpose. You want to know what the truth is? Most creators, they're not quitting because they want to. They're quitting because they're tired. They're overwhelmed. They're overconsumed, consuming too much content. They're not overconsumed from work itself, but actually from comparison, from feeling like the need to be seen by people that don't really even know us. I know it sounds crazy, but hear me out. You don't have to earn your why. You just need to return back to it. So here's the deal. Some content creators, they create out of ego because truth be told, they want to be seen. They want to make a name for themselves. Some of us, we want to build community. We want to build connections and create some type of passive income. At least that's why I'm doing it. I love connecting with people, but at the same time, I like connecting with legacy. Part of that legacy is building a nest egg for my children and my children's children, because that's what the word says to do. It's not about performance. It's not about perfection. It's not about comparison. It's not about competing. This right here is my own self-discovery journey. I just happen to be doing it in public. Here's a little wisdom for you. When your why, the reason why you're a content creator, the reason why you're creating videos, when your why is external to you, that's when you'll burn out. Trust me, I've done it before. But when your why is internal, when it's in your heart, when it's a soul thing, that's when you begin to evolve. And guess what? If you're like me and if you're introverted, because I am introverted by nature. Yes, I am. But being introverted is my superpower. It's actually my advantage. I don't have to walk into rooms loudly trying to be something that I'm not. My work, it walks before me. My talent opens doors that my character can keep me in those same rooms. I have nothing to prove because my life is about impact. When you're operating out of authenticity, then your presence, it builds a foundation, an unshakable, unmovable, strong foundation. When you become an authentic content creator, making good content that's true to you allows you to skip the line even before you have to ask for access. The way is made open for you. Let your work speak for your worth. Let your becoming who you are lead you into the pathway of your own purpose and your own destiny. So that alignment that you're seeking, that alignment can actually find you. If you're too busy being someone else that you would never purpose to be, then that alignment can never find you because you're all over the place. So I want us to pause for a second. Just take a breath. Just take a moment. I want us to remember the first moment when we said, I want to create, whether it was creating a video, a digital ebook, or creating connections through coaching or mentoring. And think about who you were actually trying to become and what you were trying to achieve. If you're like I am, if you're in the same season as me of becoming, and you're somewhere in a crossroads of remembering who you were and why you started, let's start building our content together. Let's start building our content with consistency, with discipline. Let's try to have some fun while we're doing it. Let's make some connections and connect with communities, even like my community here, the Revealers, or overall my SKOOL community. Here on this channel and in this new season, we are building together. We're building identity, we're building discipline, and we're building connection. We're growing into the best versions of ourselves. And if you're even slightly interested, I want you to consider joining, checking things out. You'll learn some things, you'll make some friends, and trust me, it will be fun. Now, my goal for us is to keep shining our light, keep speaking our truth, and keep showing up on socials. If you've been inspired, I want you to consider subscribing, going with me on this journey, and connecting with other people right here in this community. I'll see you on the next installment of Real Talk with Rita. Bye-bye.